Here's Jason eating his bottomless pita. He's like, I'm never going to lunch with them again, ever. I'm done with them. You want to eat peas?
Yes.
Eat with a hippie?
What?
After you eat with a hippie? I get to eat peace.
Oh, peace out, man. It's just kind of funny to watch. I know, it was strong.